Assalamu alaikum, y'all. Here to talk about beads. I'm not actually going to put a bead on anything because my current project frankly looks spectacular without it. But you can make one of these little spaces here to expose your filler cord the exact same way that you would put a bead on. So if you want to pretend that I'm putting a bead on, put the bead on all or some of your filler cord depending on what you're going for. I personally sometimes like to put all of my filler cord through a bead. Sometimes I like to leave a few of them out, depending on the project. But pretend that I put a bead all the way on it and slid it up right there. Then, if you want to know how to make a square knot, check out my square knot videos. I'm just going to make one real quick, and I'm not going to put it in front of the camera because I already made that video. Quick square knot, tighten it, and alright, that first tightening, you don't do it all the way. You leave whatever exposed that you're trying to leave exposed, and then stop tightening the top cord. Tighten the bottom cord all the way, and then watch my tightening video for more explanation about that. Tighten it nice and good. Get your spacing right. Leave the cord exposed that you want exposed, and voila, that is how you put a bead on it. And that's how you put a space where a bead would be if you want to leave your cord exposed. Y'all enjoy. Assalamu alaikum.